Hey, what is up everyone? This is Flash from Flash Hobbies, and we're doing another mod to the 2019 Tacoma. This car comes with stock halogens, so I'm gonna actually do these LED upgrades, pure white. I've used this brand before on my Honda Accord and my wife's Kia Soul, and they're fantastic. They're really bright, really clear, no issues, no errors. So you get your light bulbs and a manual with them. This is the first time I've actually seen lights with fans on them. I've never actually had fans, and first time I've had 3 LEDs on one. So I guess they're upgrading or they've just changed the technology, but they're really nice. They're not plastic. All this is aluminum on the outside. The only thing plastic on here is this fan. As always, the link is in the description below. These are the H8, H9, H11. It uses the same for both the headlights and the fog lights. We'll be doing the fog lights in the future. For now, we're just going to stick with the headlights. Installation for these shouldn't be too difficult. You just have to pop out your old halogen bulb. So you just twist and pull out. You'll have a clip here that releases your bulb. Make sure you don't touch that. You put your new bulb in. Make sure that clicks in. And then we're going to make sure that it clicks into the right way. So just make sure it lines up and that it turns the right way. And that should be it. Pretty simple. We do that for the other side. And so you can see here is the new bulb on there. That's the white LED. This side's going to be just a little bit trickier, but they made it to where you can just do the same thing here. So we're going to twist, pull out this bulb. It's going to be a little bit trickier not to touch the bulb on this one because I have big hands, but still. Just hold the clip. Your light comes off, your new bulb goes in, and then just twist the way that it was before. So as you can see, the fan should be pointing up on both. So that's the passenger side. And there's the driver's side. So let's go ahead and turn them on and make sure they both work. There's the right side and the passenger side. So they're both working. The only thing I have to do now is kind of wait till nighttime to see if they need any adjustment. In my experience, they don't, because they're the stock bulbs. They line up exactly the way they should. Keep your stock bulbs in case you ever need them, or if you're ever going to trade in and you want to put the stocks back in, there you go. If you have any questions, as always, leave them down below. I'll leave the link in the description. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.